Hello, Withy. This is a view inside our shop. You can see that what we do here is work on tank containers all the time. You were asking about the arrangement of the Manway assembly on one of these. So this is a typical Manway assembly. It's got 8 wing nuts, and it's a tongue and groove arrangement so that the manlid cover itself has a groove and it seals on this tongue. And the gasket, this is the gasket that we were showing you, it just simply fits inside this groove, and then it gets installed typically with a rubber or a plastic mallet. Just gets pounded in place very gently. Doesn't take much to hold it in place. And then once it's in the groove, I'm going to take it out for demonstration purposes, but once it's in the groove, then the lid goes down and the gasket seals against this tongue. And you were asking what keeps it in place, what keeps it secure. Well, these wing nuts do. They're called hand nuts or wing nuts, and normally they would be installed by hand tight. And for water service, that would be good enough, but if you were carrying chemicals or hazmat, you would then use a brass non-sparking hammer to snug them down in a star pattern in sequence, X number of foot-pounds per pass until you reach your final pass for pressurizing the tank. But again, for water transport or storage, that won't be necessary. You can just operate them by hand. I hope that explains how these work. Thank you.